Yesterday I took a close look at the yellow Cars 3 Lightning McQueen, which is a factory custom. Today we'll be taking a close look at the factory custom of the metallic Cars 3 Lightning McQueen. But before we take a close look at him, we have to go over his actual official release, which was released in 2018 in the Scavenger Hunt line. We can see metallic Cars 3 Lightning McQueen. We can see that metallic paint job right there. Looks absolutely cool. But if you want to get one of these right now, you're going to have to pay a pretty penny for one. Of course, we can see there $27.99 is one that sold recently. The only one that's active in the UK currently at the time of recording this is this one for £37. But if you don't want to pay £37, you can pay £3 or plus, shipping costs or whatever for this fake one here. Now, there is some differences which we'll get into in a few seconds here. One of the differences that I do want to mention right off the bat is that this is the regular 155 diecast from May 1st, 2017. And this is the factory custom. This is the official release, but the official release has the 95 underneath the headlight. This one does not. So if you want, accuracy, then I guess you have to pay quite a lot of money for this one right here. But this one does have some other differences, which I will show you right now. Yeah, excuse the dust on him. I mean, it is very difficult to try and keep these cars clean, I guess. But yeah, here he is. He looks absolutely cool. He's got the metallic paint. Looks absolutely cool. Look at that shine with the ring light. Looks cool. Like I did mention in the previous cut, that the only thing that really is different is that he doesn't have the 95. He does have the Lightning McQueen signature on the top, which is a nice bonus. He does have the roof flaps. Now, of course, all the bases from, fake cars do say they are children's toys or toy car or children's toy car, that sort of line, because then they can get away with shipping costs and not having to pay a lot of money when they ship to your house. On the back, that is also very accurate as well. Must use medicated bumper ointment, number 95. So yep. And of course, here is the official release as well. It looks absolutely cool. Comment down below, which one do you prefer the most? Do you prefer the metallic version? Do you prefer the yellow version, or do you just prefer the regular version of Lightning McQueen? That is screenshot worthy. Wow. Comment down below which is your favourite, and of course another video will be uploaded on either Monday or Tuesday as a full video, and then again a short in a few days time. So the very next video, peace everybody.